Is the 27th of June 2026. We've just concluded a hike, or basically concluding a hike, just up to Admiral's Waterfall here in Simonstown. Yeah, probably one of the shortest hikes that we've had to date, but truly a special place. This, just the scenery here is unique. We've just enjoyed the waterfall there, and we're making our way back. And the views of Simonstown below are stunning. And of course, the naval base is located here. And that's the scenery as we make our way back. Lovely hike. There's baboons along this trail, so hikers kind of like have to behave. And yeah, we met a troop or more on our way to the waterfall. And fortunately, that troop did behave. And now, as we make our way back, we hope that will continue to be the case. But for now, we give praise and honor to the Lord God for another opportunity to experience a unique part of the Western Cape. Thanks for watching. God bless.